Hi everyone, welcome back to Science Club. I'm teacher Emily and I'm the librarian here at Nautique. And today in the library we're going to be doing a science experiment called Lemon Volcano. So because we don't really have lemons, we're going to be using limes. And just so that I can show you guys what I'm doing, I'm going to use my phone instead of using my computer to record the video. So to begin, let me just show you guys the materials. So we have a lime cut in half, a plate, you'll need some food dye, this is actually optional, and then baking soda, and then some spoons here. Great. So I'm just going to set my phone down and show you guys what I'm going to do. So the first step is we're going to take our lime and use our spoon to sort of loosen up the juice just a little bit, pressing in so that it's nice and juicy. Then I'm going to take some food coloring and add some drops of food coloring. All right, guys. So just like vinegar and baking soda, our lime is also an acid, so when it reacts with a base like baking soda, we have a reaction that's kind of like fizzy. So I'm just gonna pour some baking soda onto our lime to see what happens. Oh my goodness. It's a volcano of different colors. Whoa! Oh my goodness, you guys, it's so cool. Great, I'm just gonna leave that on the plate and I'm gonna keep watching it and seeing if it changes color at all or if anything else happens. But I would love to see your lemon volcanoes and see what colors you guys choose. You can also do it without colors, so just let me know in the comments. You can post a picture or a video via WhatsApp or on the Facebook group. I'll see you next time. Bye!